Welcome to Young Money Investments, where traders come to level up, trade smarter, and win bigger. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your strategy, you're in the right place. Here it's all about real strategies, real results, and a community that's got your back. No more guessing, no more trading alone, just the tools, guidance, and support needed to make smarter moves in the market. If you're new to trading, the beginner trader package is a perfect starting point, or should we say intro trader is a great starting point for you. In this section, you get Young Money University. This is a course with over 100 hours of video content on lessons from everything that you'll need to learn, whether it's investing, swing trading, futures, algorithmic trading, and everything in between. The course has it all. Along with Young Money University, you'll have an exclusive community area where you can talk to other traders, discuss trades, what you're working on, what you're learning, and how to become a more disciplined and consistent trader. This is for you if you want to start strong with the right education and a solid support system. If you already know the basics and want a little bit more guidance as you're continuing to perfect your trading strategies, the VIP Trader section is the right section for you. VIP Trader comes with all of the pre-existing things that are included within the Intro Trader package, but with a little bit more detail and more algorithmic tools that'll help you become a better and more consistent trader. Get daily market analysis from me and my trading models. See what the market is doing from a macro perspective, and also how to use that data to get better trading results. This section includes all of my algorithmic tools that help me to make a consistent and solid trade plan every single night. VIP Trader also comes with the patented YMI strategy. Okay, it might not be patented, but this is one of the greatest strategies that I've ever created. The Young Money investment strategy comes not only with the tool and trading strategy built in for TradingView, it also comes with daily callouts for stocks that meet the trading criteria for buy signals for your investment account. This tool allows you to backtest years of trading data to see how the strategy would have performed on any given ticker, and it also compares it to the benchmark S&P 500 so you have a better idea of what the strategy would have done in comparison to the benchmark of all benchmarks. This algorithm scans over 1,000 different tickers every single day and compiles the list of stocks and ETFs that meet the strict criteria to receive a buy signal from the YMI strategy. This is for traders who have experience but are currently lacking a robust and dynamic trade plan in order to get them to the next step in their journey to become profitable. For those looking to save time, energy, and anguish that occurs from losing trades, you're looking for the Pro Trader package. While I can't guarantee you are going to be the next Warren Buffett, I can guarantee that these proprietary algorithmic tools are unlike anything else that you can find out on the market today. The Pro Trader package comes with everything that's included in the intro and VIP Trader packages, and then some really other great stuff. The Pro Trader comes with all of the algorithmic tools that I just talked about for the VIP package, but also includes the execution trading bots for the NinjaTrader 8 platform. This includes our Marty bot as well as our key price level or KPL trading bot that allows you to trade some of the algorithmically developed key price levels and also allows you to trade some of our other volatility based strategies that I talk about and post about on a daily basis. These tools give you the ability to set these strategies on a daily basis and allow them to execute based on market signals that are generated throughout the day. One of the hardest parts of trading is to be able to create a trading plan and then stick through it throughout the day, especially with a full-time job. There is no silver bullet when it comes to trading. However, when you combine algorithmic models along with the discipline and consistency you can receive through using automated trading strategies, you become a very powerful and consistent trader that is unlike what most other people are able to do on a day-to-day basis when trading in and out of the market. I can confidently say that the 6 years of testing, development, and iterative processes that have had to occur in order to create these algorithms has produced some of the best quality algorithms that are available anywhere out there today. I take pride in knowing that I built trading tools that can help people find the consistency that I so craved years ago. If you've tried other groups out there, this is the place to go. I can tell you that these algorithmic tools are unlike anything you have ever seen before, and they will change the way that you trade forever. I'll see you on the inside.